Okay, YouTube, today we're going to have another dessert. Peanut butter no bake cookies. So, let's get into it. First off, you're going to need some butter and 1 stick of butter, 2 cups of white sugar, half a cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're just going to mix that around. We get it on about medium to high heat. And we're going to let that start to melt and come together. And when that happens, we'll be back. Okay, as you can see that it's everything's all melted and incorporated now. So we're going to wait until it starts to boil, and then we're going to let it boil for 1 minute. After it starts to boil, let it boil for 1 minute. Okay, it's starting to boil. Now we're going to let it sit here and boil for 1 minute. And yeah, I like to stir it. I like to keep stirring it just to make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. Okay, that's been a minute. So now what we're going to do is not fog up my camera from the steam. We're going to add the peanut butter, which is 1 cup of peanut butter. We're going to give that a mix. Let that peanut butter get in there and melt real good. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. Mix that up. And then 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Get that mixed up. Now, 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. And get that all mixed up. And make sure when you're using your butter, make sure it's no salted butter. I have used regular salted butter, and they didn't seem to sit up right. Didn't get hard like they were supposed to in the cooling process. So just make sure you use no salted butter. Okay, got it all mixed up real good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to drop on a parchment lined cookie sheet, however big you want to make the cookies. I made them good size one time, actually a couple times, and I made them smaller. So it all just depends on you, on how big you want to make the cookies. There's no right or wrong way to do that. And if you've never had no-bake cookies before, they are really, really good. It's an easy recipe, and they are so good to snack on. So give it a try and see what you think. But that's it, folks. Pretty much we're done right there. We're gonna let these cool for, oh, I don't know, probably a couple of hours. Let them harden up. They'll harden up, and when they do, we'll come back and I'll show you what they look like. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all. Well, they have hardened up, and so you just pull them off the parchment paper, put them in a tub, just like that. And we'll try this last one. Go ahead and make it and let me know what you think about it. They're really good. So until next time, we'll be back.